In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload an album on Soundcloud application or website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using here Brave. But for you, of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, such as Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Firefox. I don't know, whatever browser could be possibly working for you, even if it's Internet Explorer, right? Anyway, and then you would like just to go and type soundcloud.com and hit the enter button, and of course that will actually take you into this page. So of course, if you don't have an account, first of all, you would like to go and create one. You can create it by your Gmail or Facebook, or there is another option there, I forget it. And of course, that will prevent you from going through the boring steps of creating your account on SoundCloud if you create it by a Gmail or Facebook. Of course, if you have an account, all you need to do, just go and log into your account and you'll be good to go. So if you want to actually upload an album, first of all, that will actually be your home screen. And of course, as I said, if you want to upload an album, all you need to do, just go and click at your name here, then click add profile. Of course, from here, all you need to do, just go and click at albums. And as you can see, seems a little quiet over here. Upload the track to share it with your follower. Of course, then just go and click on upload now. Here, if you have your documents open where you have your album, you can just drag it and drop it here, and you can actually start uploading it. Or you can just go and click on that. That will open your documents on your PC, and of course, just choose the album and it will start downloading. Of course, you can choose the privacy, which is public or private, and make sure to do not upload a lot if you are just using the free SoundCloud application, because it will not let you to upload a lot of tracks. But if you want to upload a full album which has a lot of music or tracks, you can just go and try the Next Pro, which is the SoundCloud Plus or the Pro one. Of course, you'll need to pay for this per month. I don't know what is exactly. You can just go and click on that, try Next Pro, and you will see the prices. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.